రావు కదా మరి అప్పుడు 91 92 అంటే
1992
సీడ్ ఫెస్టివల్ చేస్తే అందక అన్నారు కదా ఒక చిన్న విలేజ్ లో ସୋଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ ଗୋଟେ କଲୁ ସେଠି କେତେ ଗୋଟେ 45 ଭେରାଇଟି ଆସିଲା ଧାନ ମଣ୍ଡିଆ ସମସ୍ତେ ଡାଲି ମିଲେଟ୍ ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଆମେ ଦେଶୀ ସେ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକରି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖାପଢ଼ା କରି ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଗୋଟେ 45 ଭେରାଇଟି ଆସିଲେ 45ଟା ପରେ ପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ କରବାରୁ ଗୋଟେ 45ଟା ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ 101 ଉପରେ 120 ଏମିତି ଆସିକରି ଗତ ବର୍ଷ ଆମେ ଏଠି 2005ରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ କଲୁ ଏପ୍ରିଲ 26ରେ ସେ ଏବେ କି ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ କେତେ ଆସିଲା ଗୋଟେ 300 ବହୁତ ଆସିଲା 300 ବହୁତ ଆସିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏବେ କେତେ ଆମର ଲୋକମାନେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ହଁ ହାଇବ୍ରିଡଟା ସେଟା ଖରାପଟା ଆମର ଦେଶୀ ବିହନଟା ଏଟା ଭଲ ବିହନ ବୋଲି ଏବେ ସବୁ ଲୋକ ଜାଣା କରି ଏବେ ମୁଣ୍ଡିଆ କି ନହେଲେ ସୁମା କି ଫସାଇ କରି ଖାଇଲେ ଆମର ଦେହଟା ଭଲ ରହିବ ବୋଲି ଏବେ ଜାଣିଥିବେ ସବୁ
అది చెప్పావు కదా ఇప్పుడు ఆయన అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే మనం దేశీ సీడ్ ఎలాగా
কি প্রকারে প্রিজার্ভেশন কি প্রকারে করে
ବୋଲେ ସେ ମଝିରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସେମିତି ଆସିଲେ ନା ଆମେ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲରେ ଦେଇକରି ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ବିହନ ବଲଟା ଅଛି ଥିବା ଜାଣିପାରିବାରୁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ବିହନଟା ନାହିଁ ଆରୁ ଅଲଗା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଗଲା ଅଲଗା ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକୁ ଗଲେ ଆମ ଏବେ ଯାଇକରି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ତାଙ୍କର ବିହନ ଆମର ବିହନ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇକି ତାଙ୍କର ବିହନ ଆମକୁ ଆଣିକରି ଆମେ ଡେଭଲପ କଲୁ ଡେଭଲପ କଲା ପରେ ଏସବୁ 2025ରେ ଆମକୁ କେତେ 300 ଭେରାଇଟି କୁ ବହୁତ ଆସିଲା ଆଗେ 45ଟା ଥିଲା କେବେ 92ରେ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲରେ ଏବେ 2025 କେତେ ଆସିଲା 300 ବହୁତ ଏବେ ଭେରାଇଟି ଆସିଲା ସବୁ ଭେରାଇଟି ମିଶିକରି ବୋଲେ ସେତି ହିସାବ କରି ଦେଖିଲେ ତ ଆମେ କୋଟି କୋଟିରେ ଯାଇକରି ନାଇଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ନା ନହେଲେ ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକ ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ସବୁ ଯାଇକରି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଏମିତି ଯାଇକି ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କର ବିହନଟା ଆମେ ଆଣିଲୁ ଆମଟା ବିହନଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଆଣିକରି ବହୁତ କରି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇକରି ତାଙ୍କର ବିହନଟା ଅଧିକ ହେଇଗଲା
এদিকে আপনি প্রিজার্ভেশন কি প্রকার করছেন
ఎలా చేస్తారు కుండల్లో దాస్తారా ఎలా దాస్తారు
ଏମିତି ଆମେ କରିଛୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଫିସ ଅଲଗା ଥିଲା ଏଇଠି ନାହିଁ ସେ ଅଲଗା ଥିଲା ଆମେ କେତେଟା ଭେରାଇଟି ଆମେ ରଖିକରି ତାଙ୍କର ବିହନ ଗୋଟେ ଆମର କେତେ ବିହନ ଆମର ଅଫିସରେ ଆମର ଦିମସା ଅଫିସରେ ଥିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ କୋଉଟା ବିହନ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦରକାର ସେ ବିହନଟା ଦରକାର ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କେଜି ଦେଇଦେବା ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫସଲା ବେଳକୁ କେଜିକୁ 2 କେଜି ଆଣିକରି ଆସିଲା ଏମିତି କରବା କେତେ ହେଇଗଲା ଆମକୁ ରୋଗବାକୁ ଆହୁରି ଅସିଦ୍ଧ ହେଇଗଲା
seed first we are starting seed bank in 2001 that times we are starting seed bank first we are starting seed bank is the first seed festival coming to 45 varieties that village level seed festival
मतलब सारा इकट्ठे बना के फिर उसको
या सर एक ही फसल नहीं सर सोई भी कोई तेल वाला है कोई ये सनफ्लावर है सब डाल कर मिक्स कर बराबर कोई रूट से अंदर में जाएगा कोई रूट से
there are some seeds coming to here we are present small parts old seed bank is there big parts also there we are saying that we are starting that time these seeds we are giving to another villages in these 45 varieties giving to we are running
सब मिलकर एक ही अभी नेक्स्ट में क्या करेंगे सब्जी डालेंगे नहीं तो बैंगन नहीं तो मूली नहीं तो मिर्ची चिल्ली ये सब लगाने का आगे पहले अप्रैल मई का ये सब मिलकर 30 वैरायटी का
seed bank in only office only and 2002 2003 2010 also we are preserving our office only big parts this in award coming to national award we are getting there our thinking is changed. What is the preservation? Our seed bank is mainly how many varieties we are using in this. We are educating to every village level seed bank. We are village level seed bank. Rare varieties we are preserved here. Some village Chhattisgarh last. Last main one, black rice, three. We are getting some this type of seed. We are feathers here, giving to farmer, 2-3 farmers growing there. Lot of quantity coming to there, coming to preserve one village.
This is strawberry here, this plant.
This is not hybrid, sir.
No. It is grafted. A village seed bank. They are sharing. Black raspberry, this Neelakantam is there. We are going take seed. Now that seeds they are taking 1 kg. You give to farmer 2 kgs or 3 kgs. 2 kgs.
हो गया सर, फोटो लेते.
So,
The side is there.
plus 1 kg we are taking there. Taking 1 kg plus 2 kg, 3 kgs giving to farmer. Farmer, that seed also increase. This type of every village, our 70.
Yeah, crop. Here crop there, sir.
For seed savers is our there. Our 74 number seed savers is there. That seed savers grow. Work is we are giving to some rare variety. They are growing. Some seeds giving to seed bank. That seed bank giving to other. Now coming to 3 quintals to 20 quintals coming to that model. This is the ginger model. Ginger is the this is the Deshwali. We are preservation for starting 9 years we are preservation in our office only. After that we are giving to village seed bank. Now is the district seed bank. Rampachodavaram. There is no seed ragi variety is there. We are giving to this year seed festival. That is Guli Ragi.
Drip irrigation nahi kare.
No. 3 tons of ragi in that area. We are sharing to small quantity. Their seed multiplication is there. That we are the preservation is only first 8 years we are only our of days holiday. That time more coming to here. I'm going 3 exam running, pass first, second class, I'm 10th class pass, and intermediate complete, degree first year is preservation. That preservation methods also there in traditionally. No pest there.
Yes.
No pest, no this. Our jungle, some leaves is there.
Yeah.
Some this type of
Yes.
we are preserving this type of seeds.
Yes.
Some seeds preservation is leaves something. Lot of that all are here. Only now is not there. That seed festival is grow lot of.
So this is all seeds only.
Yeah. Get seeds. This is all seeds. We are seed preservation also that type of
Inside that.
inside. Big size. Come back to village. Second year come back to village. Come back to the village. What he does studying. I am this type of activities. We are doing. Start. In our childhood, big size also there.
What is this?
This is
Pumpkin.
pumpkin nine, bottle gourd.
సూరకాయ
Bottle gourd.
Bottle one.
Yeah, bottle.
Any official ban
Is
this
it last
seed
like
ban?
this?
No government side, no ban.
In Assam also we
No,
do like this.
no.
Normally these seeds,
On the beach, my daughter and the son is there. Yeah. This is the small kitchen. This is the bathroom two-way. This all designed by our team only.
నైస్
This
బాగుంది
we are going to dining also come here.
డైనింగ్ ఆల్సో దేర్ మేడం
the air falls, it will destroy, na?
Yeah.
It looks
Yeah, destroy. We are demanding the government also.
like fund, any fund, like.
Now we are demanding the government people. This very big drama is there. Big drama means in seed system, government.
సూపర్
Look is small.
ఇట్స్ డిఫరెంట్ యా వెరీ గుడ్ ప్లాన్ మస్తుంది సూపర్ ఎక్సలెంట్
Tribal farmer. What they keep in? Yeah, you see. Seed companies, hybrid seed companies, lot of companies are there in Myco seed, Indo-American seed. These all maintaining the government. Maintain the government, giving to all seeds. Our Desi seed, we are not fertilizer.
ఫెర్టిలైజర్ ఓకే
Fertilizer, they making the plants only. All people is coming to this way. What they are money giving to government in seed companies. That this we are this is seed now is this 5-6 years now is the coming the this is seed of middle of soil this type of 30 varieties plants 30 varieties plants one plant one variety of there
ఇవి ఏంటి బంతి పూలు అన్నట్టు అవి అవి
some bantipulu chavallu millets
ఆ,
all
ఓకే
coming to after corona all are using desi seed desi variety paddy now this time after corona no not desi seed what is this per acre 50 bags or that desi seed is low yield 15 quintals our variety lot of varieties is there మా దగ్గర ఇస్కరవాళ్ళు means scented rice our area 5 varieties also there the scented varieties our demand is our stall also you go to museum our stall is there in Arku Valley Museum there's also some exhibition